Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure iOS and Chrome are updated, then turn off any VPN in settings so traffic goes direct. Once done, pick the network you'll use, Wi-Fi or cellular, because DNS changes are per network. Now open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap the info icon next to your network, and get ready to edit DNS. This first step removes tunnel routing and lets you control name resolution without a VPN. Next, you change DNS to a trusted resolver to improve reachability without a VPN. In Wi-Fi info, choose Configure DNS right arrow manual and add 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4, then save. If you use cellular, change DNS in your carrier profile or use a router-level smart DNS. Open Chrome, clear site data for the target site, and use incognito to test. This avoids cached redirects. Making DNS changes helps bypass name resolution blocks while keeping your traffic direct. Finally, verify access in Chrome. Load the site, use pull to refresh, and clear cache if a stale redirect persists. Make sure to test both Wi-Fi and mobile data so you can isolate whether the block is network or device level. If a site still fails, switch to Router Smart DNS for all devices or contact your carrier. Sometimes blocks are at the carrier level. Troubleshooting tip: if pages time out, revert DNS and try another public resolver, or reboot the router to clear stale routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.